The NB Network with Dee's Sparta.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. I've been having like crazy technical issues, and I know retrograde. I'm not gonna let it beat me though. No. I'm gonna get this video done because I got a lot to say because there's a lot going on that's changing here at the NB Network. You might have noticed some videos popping up from another channel that don't have anything to do with crafting or beauty. And you're like, what's going on here? Well, without further ado, let's dive right in. Hi, the NB Network began because my daughter Haley came up with the idea for her and I to do videos together and have fun because we love doing crafts and we love squishies and we were gonna just test craft kits, do some crafts and let you all know what we think. And then COPA came and YouTube restricted so much content and the use of what they felt were things were targeted to children or included children. And that was a bummer. And I had wanted to use the NB Network originally to include a lot more things about my life and who I am. What do? I enjoy video games, movies, books, sci-fi, fantasy, Star Wars, Marvel, DC Comics, and I love beauty, makeup, but I also am a very spiritual person. And my journey through leaving the church and from someone who was in the ministry and went to Bible seminary has really affected who I am and how I see things in this world and the religions and where my spirituality is. I also am good with tarot cards and I like tarot and I have a collection. You can see a little bit of them over here, but there's even more over there. And oracle cards. And so I wanted to share readings. Now I'm also going to continue doing those readings, but I'm going to do them over here on the NB Network. I thought I needed to split these two parts of me, the beauty and my spirituality, the beauty and the crafty. And it was It was just really hard to balance and trying to get the other channel to build up. And I mean, I was getting new people, but it was so slow going. And it was hard to try and juggle. Did I do a video yet for this channel? What am I going to do a video for this channel? And now I'm just going to go everything into one. And I think, it's going to screw with the algorithm. I know. But I need to be me. And I need to just let y'all see who I am. And just explore my world and all the things I'm into. So, yes, I'm merging Lunar Blessings with the NB Network. I do have a Patreon, but I'm going to change it up. It's going to have some different options. And I am still going to be doing personal readings, which you can book me and get those done. I'm working on a new website. And we'll see what happens. But the NB Network is going to include a lot of different variety about things I just want to talk about. So I will talk about them and I'll do it here. So I hope that you will join along for this ride with me. I have so much content I'm writing and prepping and working on. And I'm going to get this all out there. And so this month is going to be a little weird because I'm working on preparing for what this channel is going to evolve more into. So stay tuned. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel, please. And I hope that I'll see you around. Now remember, be kind to yourself and be kind to others. And I love you.